Simply Shaye gang. And
Oh my bad.
this our new time.
Okay.
Let's hit it. We're gonna edit that out.
We gotta start up. That's gonna be
Simply Shaye gang. And happy Sunday. And seafood Sunday. Bunnies and seafood. How y'all doing? Let's get to the prayer, cause I'm ready. Heavenly Father, we want to all thank you for a day that's never promised us, Lord. I want to thank you for our life, health, and strength. I want to thank you for this food in front of me, Lord. Please let it be a nurse to my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Let it be good, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. If y'all don't know about that prayer, that's simply by T.Y. He be praying like that. And Lord Jesus, amen. I love him. So go check him out. Simply Foods by T.Y. Hey, gang. How y'all doing? And we got Janaya with us, y'all. Okay, y'all. Today we having a simple seafood boil. I got some rice right here. And, of course, we got that Shaye smack sauce. And quit playing. I love y'all. Be loved, but it's me. Cucumbers, rice, sausage, shrimp, eggs, king crab legs, snow crab legs, potatoes, and lemons. And let's get into it.
Oh, and I got some Gatorade.
Oh, and I got some pink cranberry ocean spray. Janai, show the bottle, pumpkin.
Okay.
Y'all, this is what I'm drinking today. And y'all know, always remember to quench your thirst.
I like that.
And y'all know I got some water on the side. I'm always with the agua. But y'all got to put my cucumbers to the side because Janai do not like the smell of cucumbers. And then y'all can see my food a little bit better too. And y'all move this rice and this smack sauce to right here because me and Janai going to be sharing that. But let me put some on my rice. How y'all doing? Happy Sunday.
Oh, yeah, and we're going to be doing a Would You Rather challenge while we eat.
Yeah, the would you rather.
We're going to ask 5 questions apiece.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and my sister Apple, she right here, y'all. She helped me come up with my questions too.
We always have people in the background, y'all. Jamming now, man. We got a little Auntie Titty up here today. But I want to thank everybody who sent out their prayers and for me yesterday. If y'all watch my video, please go watch it. If y'all haven't, go look at it. And I thank y'all so much for the kind, encouraging words. Miss Face Squad, you already know. It's always a genuine, and I do mean genuine shout out for you, baby. I love you to the fullest, boo.
Period. That's my best friend. That's my other best friend, y'all. That's my other
I
best
want to
friend.
thank y'all, and y'all just continue. I'm going to keep y'all updated on the journey and everything. So we can go ahead and eat, y'all.
Yeah, I'm going to try to vlog because I'm going to go with her to her apartment. I'm going to be up for my family. I'm going to be like, hey, squad. We at the hospital. I mean, you going to share with them today?
I can go.
Yeah, she being fake. She ain't sharing with y'all today. I'll share with y'all. Here. Get some.
Open your mouth.
Don't eat that cucumbers, Miss Squad. Just get the sauce.
They got to get the vegetables.
Not them times.
Yeah, my sister Tiff got some lobsters over here.
Mm-hmm. She getting her done right now, y'all.
I should have gotten to them lobsters, but
I'm tracking you.
we're going to get snow crab, y'all. We
Yeah,
got the
give me a
king
snow
crabs
crab.
in here, but we're going to start with the snow. We're going to say the king for later, y'all. We got the king. We got some king for real. Oh, that was so good. How y'all doing? What y'all eating on, y'all? And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the video.
And tell y'all boyfriend, girlfriend, family about us too.
The mailman, the church lady, all the people who get conjugated on, tell them because they tell other people about us, let everybody know.
All it.
Y'all already know how to do it. Spread the word. We need to subscribe us. We got the watch hours down. Now we trying to get our team down. And we working it. And 325 people. Yes, you can get you a lemon. I'm not that one, but 325 Shaye babies is in the family. Welcome, and thank y'all so much.
Girl, y'all should just scare me with that, Mom. Don't do that.
What?
You scared me. That what type of? You should let me. You should let me hit that high note. That would be a bit.
Y'all, hating on the video,
This is a bird. Hey.
That's why I asked them other ones, because I know them hoes ain't right.
Y'all, they using some scissors that's broke.
I'm talking about they don't tell them.
Now go use your hands.
Take a smash.
Mm-hmm. You can just
I did it. Yeah.
Y'all, we gonna ask questions and eat. Y'all already know how the video go. Don't come for me. I'm thinking it up in my mind though. So I ain't write shit down.
no dishes. She big on it.
She need a fork?
No. She trying to get a bowl. She can use her hand.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I already got one dish. Let me put my sausage up here, y'all.
I'm trying to get to this close.
Cause it, ooh, let's see, man, let's see. Man, who made the smack sauce?
I did.
That shit good as sight.
Show my meeting your channel on.
You gotta take it out.
Yeah, Apple want to show her me.
Here, y'all finna get y'all a bite of this. Ooh, here, y'all.
Ooh, Apple, look at that. I want to.
Oh, Apple got a pretty piece of meat. Damn, let me pull mine back. Look at that white meat.
Can I take a bite?
No. Thank you. I'm finna dip it in my smack sauce.
Oh,
You better
okay.
dip it.
Oh, yeah. I'm talking about trash shit.
Y'all ain't had no jasmine rice. Quit sleeping on it. Please get it.
Oh, baby. Oh, me. We were ready.
Oh, this is so good. Oh, y'all, let me got some potato. Yeah,
I gotta get it right. My bad, mom.
Oh, y'all, we got scrimp.
Oh, I already ate squirrel.
Let me dip it for y'all.
Oh, did you show me that you got eggs too? You haven't made no eggs. I don't like the eggs, y'all.
Oh, y'all, look at that. Rain down on me. I want it to let me rain on my seafood. Let me rain on my seafood. This shit is busting.
But
It's gonna be busting. It's gonna be my new slogan. This shit is busting. Busting out.
You don't get your record deal shit with that, girl.
Baby, I've been trying to tell y'all.
quiet, cause
Quit
we're in
playing.
the studio.
Damn. It's egg, y'all. Ooh, y'all, it's hot.
She gonna go viral.
Okay, Jen, I'm finna ask my first question. Damn, the time go by fast. It's already finna be 8 minutes.
I'm ready for it.
Okay, Janaya. Would you rather be the president of the United States or chief of police?
What the fuck?
The president for
And
the
why?
United States.
Why?
Now, hold on, wait. Now I want to be. I want to do both, but I want to be for the United States because there's gonna be more money than a policeman. First of all, and then I kind of do want to be a policeman because working for the United States is so much work. I mean, I could take the work, but like, I really, and then like, I want to be a police officer before, but I ain't gonna tell y'all the reason why. Well, that's when I was young. I thought that reason, but I'm not gonna tell y'all why.
Please don't.
Nah, y'all gonna tell y'all why? Because look, my teacher told me that police people get free food. So I want to
So
be a
police
police
to
officer.
go in all the eat places
So
to
I
eat
can
free,
get free
y'all.
food.
Like in real, she ain't
Yeah.
lying.
So like, that's like a both question, really. Like, I do both.
Okay.
All right, so mom, hold on, y'all, because I got my question in my phone. Would you rather kiss a crackhead or a dog?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Now, Lord have mercy, both of them dirty as fuck.
Now, you know they said.
But I'm gonna have to kiss a dog, cuz.
But some people clean
Even though he licked every part of him, them crackheads might carry everything. I'm not kissing no bum. I'm not kissing. So yeah, I'd rather kiss a dog. Cause I'm a dog sometimes. So bro.
Oh, it's a G.
Oh yeah.
What you trying to get?
I'm asking, can I have some?
I'm making me a potato volcano in a minute. Okay, Janaya.
Huh? My leaf all
Would you rather be A pro athlete or a rapper?
A pro athlete, cause y'all I don't even got no bars. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all.
Just around 2 cents.
Bruh.
Got a record deal these days.
And I ain't even finna embarrass myself like that, first of all.
Okay, y'all.
So, you finna get you a cream card?
Yeah. And
Mama know you gonna say, so excited.
so excited. So excited. Oh, thumbnail. What? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. I want to laugh so bad.
Because you don't never know which one they gonna pick. Thumbnail at 10:43 something in the video, YouTube. Y'all, I get the... Mama, we got cake.
Will your mama watch the channel too?
And
Period.
she be bussy. Bussy.
She'll be busted.
Oh.
She better not be busted. Now this will to be busted.
No, don't play on my mama tie.
She better be doing Kane Wayne with it. Mm.
Oh, y'all, let me see if I can pull it up.
Oh, mama, give me some room.
Get into the white meat, get into the white. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that little pink. Look at that little pink. Y'all, have y'all ever just thought, king crab look like baby, things? Like, for real, y'all. Like, you either got some real fat ones. This is a nice size. It's a little teenage. Sorry if y'all little. I'm going to edit that out. Oh, y'all, we're going to, I'm just going to put that. Man, I need to put me something. Oh, let me put my knuckle in here. I'm going to do a situation marination.
Yeah,
This what, Tay and Lou say that. Situation marination. Y'all go check out Tay and Lou. They over 1 million subscribers. I'm trying to get like, y'all, send us some family and friends.
So, hey, you need to ask your question.
Oh, it's my go?
Yeah.
Okay, Janiyah. Would you rather be a stripper or a porn star?
Ooh, big.
I'd rather
And
be a
why?
stripper because,
Yeah, get into, ooh, this about to be so
first of
good.
all, I'd rather be a stripper because, well, to me, I'd rather be a stripper because I don't want to be no porn star. I don't want to be on nobody's website. I don't want to be doing none of that. And stripper, I can be a good stripper. I don't got to be like them strippers. I just can dance, make my money go home, come back, dance, make my money go home. That's it.
Baby, oh my God.
I already feel them say, ooh, they go a stripper, and ooh, they go a porn star. Don't play.
Oh, one time.
So that's why I
Yeah, I'm finna make me a potato volcano, Steph and Tasha. I need to get one before I can put it all in my mouth.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all got... Tasha, I don't think you did this one yet. Rice. And king crab. King. Not no snow. King. Well, we're gonna see if we can put a sausage up there. Y'all, I'm gonna get all this in my mouth. And y'all know I got to get, you got to drizzle it down. Hold on. Let me give you some lemon. Hold on.
She was gonna put an egg on her.
what
Oh,
is
yeah.
it?
Damn. Let me get half
is
of the
good.
egg. Wait, y'all. Let me put the egg on the side.
Yeah, boy, you tell him.
Okay. I'm going to give y'all the first bite because I got to hold it together. Here, get it, y'all.
Mama, so would you
Open up.
rather-
It's big. Okay, Janiyah, go ask your question.
Would you rather find your soulmate or don't have to pay rent for the rest of your life? Mama. That don't make no sense.
Your turn, baby. Potato volcano.
Oh, my God. Yeah.
Oh, you ain't gotta eat no cucumber.
Y'all, that was so good. Okay, Janiyah, can you ask my question, Spunkin? I'm sorry.
Would you rather find your soulmate or pay free rent for the rest of your life?
Ooh. Now hold on. She just gonna hit me there.
Mm-hmm. That was my question.
Well,
What about you?
honestly,
Free rent or you
I say free rent.
I'd rather find my soulmate. Like really. Cause free rent can, it might not be for your whole life, but I don't have some free rent, but I don't have my soulmate, so I'd rather find my soulmate. And maybe when we get sold, we'll have some free rent.
Cause he a pet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Would you rather date a pastor Would you rather date a pastor or a Jehovah's Witness?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What?
Pastor, praise the Lord. Come on, Pastor.
Amen.
You preaching,
Quiet.
I'm right behind you.
And why?
I said pastor because,
You can get rid of the whole house.
yeah, like, pastors got their money.
Oh.
Nah, that's just because that, y'all. My bad. Now look, and then I need to go to church.
We gonna edit that out. We gonna edit that out.
Bro, no. It's not because, no, I'm not saying like pastors got their money. Like, I'm like, pastors more expensive. Like, they do a lot of stuff. Like, because look,
They have
when I used to
churches.
always go to church with this lady, the pastor, like, him and his wife was always out, like, they did a lot of stuff. Like, and then pastors really be into that girl. The real pastors. So that's why I'd rather have a pastor because, like, I know that he not gonna cheat up on me because, you know, he gonna be all about me. That's why. Don't think because I just said the money. I didn't mean it like that, y'all. Cause baby, I'm gonna have my own money while I'm with that pastor. Cause
And-
what if you wanna leave? I'm gonna have my money. I'm gonna leave too. Period. So yeah. There y'all go. Cause don't play.
You have top
What's your question?
or mine. Okay,
My next question is, would you rather eat a cockroach or a roach?
Oh my god.
Wow, you got some brutal questions.
I mean, I'd rather eat a roach because that bitch little and you can just go on to that down. You can probably just swallow it. A cockroach.
Go ahead.
You gonna hear the crunch it? It's gonna be a roach because it's. Okay, tonight.
Y'all asked 2 questions.
Would you rather eat a live snake or a live octopus?
I think they gonna eat me. But look, to be honest, I probably get to them. But I would say, I don't even know, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I got many people in the background. What y'all think?
Octopus?
I say octopus.
Because the snake is alive, you're gonna have to catch it first before it
Oh,
bites
right.
We don't eat you.
you. Yeah.
That.
And they poisonous.
I ain't the people out there.
One
See,
bite you dead, baby.
that's why I have to bring my people from the back end to help me. So yeah, I say they octopus. They might probably strangle me.
You got all that stuff in your mouth.
Okay, my last question, because tonight we said we're gonna keep it for 20 minutes.
I'm gonna
Would
put
you
my
rather be my daughter or somebody else's child?
I'm gonna be your daughter. What you mean?
I'm just saying, I thought that
I picked the nah.
Would
Y'all,
you
this is
rather be my Annie or my Granny?
Yo, Annie.
We'll be
Because
lit.
we already lit as, broke best friends.
Dead. Don't
So,
play.
yo, Annie, I be your broke best Annie.
She gonna be my lit Annie.
Ew.
And like that's my lit mama.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mommy, your last question.
Mm-mm, that was it. That was just gonna be 20 minutes.
You didn't ask the other question, Mommy. You need to ask a question.
Which one?
Well, we'll do another video of that.
Oh,
But gonna be on the next video, y'all. We thank y'all for coming in and watching and laughing and talking with us. And again, thank everybody for their kind and encouragement words. If you're new to the video, you made it to this end, put me a dancing girl down and put you a tongue out emoji and let us know you watch to the end and you be real MVP. My shout out goes to everybody.
Period.
All of y'all. We want to shout out each and every last one of our Shaye babies and tell y'all we love y'all so much. And we thank y'all for riding with us and continue to ride with us. And as always remember to be a blessing to somebody other than yourself. We love y'all. Peace. Bye.